Seven MLAs and three ministers held a meeting with Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh. This was at his residence. This was to discuss the strategy for the 2022 elections. This comes as a tussle that continues in the Congress over the top Congress post in Punjab. This even as the Congress top brass has made it amply clear that Captain Amrinder Singh is the undisputed leader. Seven MLAs and three ministers who held a meeting with Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh at his residence to discuss the strategy for the 2022 elections. Amandeep is picking up more details on the same. He's joining us live from Chandigarh. Amandeep, what's in the offing?
Swesha, exactly. Seven ministers, I beg to the pardon, seven MLAs and three ministers held a meeting with Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh. On one side, the High Command is waiting to conclude their decision regarding the Sidhu and Captain Amrinder Singh. Since the reports were out that Captain is not going to change from the face of the Punjab in 2022 election, so Captain has started doing exercise for holding a meeting with the MLAs to prepare the strategy for 2022 assembly elections. And in fact, that is the reason he started holding the meeting with the MLAs as well as the ministers, just because 6 months are left for the Punjab assembly elections, and there are certain dedicated work that's supposed to be assigned to the MLAs as well as the ministers by the Chief Minister to repeat the government in 2022. So that is the reason. In fact, when the MLAs were coming out, we spoke to them. If they have any kind of doubt on the leadership of Captain Amrinder Singh, they says no. For 2022 assembly elections, Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh would be the only face, and they hold a lot of trust, and even the entire Congress would follow the line of Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh. And in fact, the series of meeting has been started at Punjab Chief Minister's official residence, where I can show you the visuals as well. Just because the security, you can see that anytime MLAs or ministers are one by one coming out after holding the meeting, just because every MLA has its own concern. And the most important part, Swesha, is there are certain MLAs who raised the voice against Captain Amrinder Singh before the panel held the meeting with all the MLAs of Punjab. But now, somewhere down the line, they have been settled by the Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh himself by opening up their demands, by concluding their, addressing their queries as well. So that is the reason. So on one side, on ground level, Punjab Congress has started preparing their strategy for 2022 elections, and on the other side, Navjot Singh Sidhu is still waiting for the decision of the High Command that how the Navjot Singh Sidhu will be settled in the party in Punjab, just because every leader states that they don't want
the larger aim was, Amandeep, to solve issues at every level. So, like it is Sonia Gandhi who's really listened in to what Amrinder Singh had to say. Now, Amrinder Singh really solving the issues at the ground level and strategizing for the elections. We also have reactions coming in on this. Let's listen.